congratulations, you came already till here. And I really want to thank you for having had the courage to look at this work. It is the courage to start working on yourself. All the tools I'm giving you are tools that you can use in your daily life every day. And yeah, now it's a lot of instructions, but slowly it becomes part of you. And then you don't need to think of it anymore, and you can clean yourself regularly and energize yourself all the time so that you never have a lack of energy. And I think that is the first present I can give you here on planet Earth. And there are many more presents, but we have to start somewhere. And this is the A of the ABC. And without the A, it's very hard to understand all the following steps. So there are many following steps. It's not the end, this work, but it's only 4.5 hours of study material in total. So it's not so much. It's not difficult. I have done it with many children from 7 years old, and they understand it super quickly. I had a girl who came to Barcelona to repeat a workshop. She was 17 when she started to repeat it. And she said in the group, yes, I did the workshop 10 years ago and I forgot a few instructions. So sweet. And with her 17 years, she was repeating the whole course and she was leaving it radiantly. Really nice. So, and I worked with women from the slums. They were all analphabets. They couldn't write and read and anything, and they understood it also so well. And 8 angels left the workshop because they remembered why they had decided to get born in the slums, because that is the only people that really can make a difference within the slums. And they did it, and it's so wonderful. And I want to give you also this huge opportunity to develop and to get the best out of yourself, and not to be tired at night and to have to recover behind the television and to start a new day, and then life becomes like a drag. No, I hope you can live it radiantly and happily. And really, this project can help you. Bye.